Is your Lincoln Nautilus refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Studies show that the vast majority of projection connectivity issues are caused by simple cable faults or software glitches. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by inspecting your cable, toggling your Bluetooth settings, and repairing the device through the sync menu. Often, the culprit is physical debris inside the USB port or an outdated iOS version on your phone. Check your screen time restrictions on your iPhone and only perform a master reset as a last resort. Try these quick fixes at home before booking a service appointment for potential hardware module failures. Most issues cost next to nothing, but replacing an APIM module can be quite expensive. If you must perform a master reset, remember it will wipe all your saved settings and navigation history. Keep a high-quality data cable and some compressed air in your toolkit for these common connectivity hiccups. Remember, a simple reboot solves most modern vehicle headaches, so don't panic if your screen goes blank. If this helped you reconnect your Nautilus, hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.